Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple Catch the Clown game in Game Maker. So first, make a sprite for the ball. Well, if you want, you can make it a clown, but I'm just going to make a ball. So, yeah, here's the ball. Now make a sprite for a wall, or you can use one like I'm going to. So, once you do that, make an object make a controller object, because that'll make the score work and stuff. So go to add event and then put create, go to the score tab and then click the caption thingy under health, and then where it says score, just capitalize the S and click OK. Now make an object for the wall and make sure you check solid. Now go make an object for the ball and in add event create, go to move fixed and select all these arrows except for the middle square button and make the speed 5. Okay, so now go to a step event, go to control, execute code, and then put if speed is larger than, put your maximum speed that you want it to go at, and then put speed equals whatever speed you put in the move fixed box, and then put a semicolon. Okay, so click the check button, make a collide with the wall event, and then go to move, go to bounce against solid objects, that's what it should say. Then make a mouse left press event, go to move and do the move fix thing and put speed 1 and make sure you check relative, because when you check relative that means it's going to add one more speed to the speed that you currently have. So now go to, cancel that. Now go to the score tab, then put score 5 and make sure you check relative, because that way it will add 5 more score. Okay, no. Oh, you need a background for the game. Well, you don't need one, but I'd rather have one. Okay, so now go to a room and name the room whatever you want. Make it whatever size you want. Okay, now put your background in the room and go to objects, select wall, and just put the walls on the outside of the game, so that way they're like a real wall. Okay, so and you can hold down shift to drag the wall. Like, hold down the shift button and move the cursor and it will keep creating multiple walls until you let go of the shift button. Okay, now put your controller somewhere in the room, then put the ball anywhere in the room, as long as you're not putting it on the wall. Okay, so click no whenever this box pops up, then click run game. Okay, now as you can see, when I click the ball, it keeps going faster and faster and faster. And once I click it until it gets to my maximum speed, see, it just slows down. And my score goes up. See, let's see, click the ball, now it's at 50. Click it again, 55. Click it again, 60. Click it again, 65. And it just goes on and goes on. Oh, and I forgot to do something. On the controller, go to key press, escape. Now go to global game settings, go to the other tab and uncheck these things that have the escape in them. so that way it works. Now, for the controller, yeah, go to key press, escape, yeah, find the score tab, then put a high score table in there, change your color and do anything, change the font. Okay, so you also need a button that can clear the high score table, so I'm going to use F11. And now go back to the press escape action and put question, do you want to quit? And then put end game, but now put else and put a restart action. So it should look just like that. Okay, so run game again. Okay, now whenever I click end, see my high score table will pop up. Then it will ask me if I want to quit, and if I click yes, it quits the game. Now, okay, I'm going to run it again to show you that the restart button works too for the question. Oh, and F11 works too, so whenever I click F11, go to the high score table, it cleared it. Now, see no, and it restarts the game. So, that's it. Bye.